Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family, and this ransomware is called OODT. OODT is the ransomware that encrypts the data and damages the files considerably. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data can be opened easily without troubles. But regretfully, because of certain existing leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this OODT ransomware may be injected into the device. This is definitely the result of poor protection of your computer by the existing security software. So you restart the computer someday or turn it on and then realize that the damage has taken place and the files are given this OODT extension. So now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. When you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the OODT extension. But removing this extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted and you still cannot open them, unfortunately. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't ever pay that ransom. What we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please obtain its latest version on this website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application and begin researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan button. So the program should first of all update its antivirus or anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial and essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. We recommend upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data protected in the future.